cho nó mi nhận ra nữa cho nó rain golden pheasant nữa cho nó mấy con nó mới cho lo của chị thay hả cô cái đó ta tập đi đầu rồi nè chuyện đâu chuyện du nông tối cho cái lần nữa giờ lên từ sáng vô nó thì tao cũng nữa rain golden pheasant nữa cho nên cho có từ đến tới đã đài rong cô nữa rong cô theo đến nơi cho chạy luôn cái này This is my red jungle, or my red golden pheasant, and red jungle fowl too. This is the first batch of my pheasant, golden pheasant. They just start to drink and to eat. They're still very small. But when they get older, they're pretty cute. It's easy to raise than jungle fowl. Jungle fowl tend to die in the winter time a lot, but they don't die. In the winter time, they survive in the winter. They survive cold. You just provide a little shelter for them, and they're just running around. And they don't die as easily as the red jungle fowl. If someone wants to buy it, let me know. This is my first batch. And I got another batch. I didn't have it in here. So that's all. Let me know. Huh? Yeah. Let me know. My number is 763-458-0006. 763-458-0006. These are cute. If anyone like it, let me know.